Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a huge opportunity for small business owners to get up to $200,000 in business grant funds for their small business. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, if you want access to over 80 plus business grant opportunities that are currently available, link will be down in the description. This does come with training as well as a grant proposal template that will show you how to fill out a grant proposal to win a grant for your business. Also, we'll teach you how to find grants on your own as well as a bonus. So again, link will be down in the description if you want to check that out. All right, so for this video, we're going to be talking about the 2023 Growth Accelerator Fund competition. This is provided by the SBA. This is America's Seed Fund. They're in phase 1 for 2023. This opportunity is open until February 24th, 2023, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. So they have a total of $3 million to provide to small businesses. You can get between $50,000 and $200,000 to accelerate your business. So the U.S. Small Business Administration is offering this grant to foster a thriving, collaborative national innovation support ecosystem to advance research and development from ideas to impact. By fostering connections between entrepreneurs, advisors, mentors, partners, the goal is to increase the pipeline and success of STEM/R&D focused entrepreneurs and small businesses, increase the success of STEM/R&D focused entrepreneurs in accessing capital and more. So stage 1, you can get a $50,000 grant, and then stage 2, you can get another $50,000 to $150,000, and that's going to total up to $200,000 if you get $50,000 in the first round and then $150,000 in the second round. So the timeline, of course, is going to be that the applications will be due by February 24th, 2023. And they'll also do the screening, judging, and vetting starting on that date after the application submission process is over. So the rules are here on this page. So you have to be a citizen of the United States, of course, and also you have to have a private entity. You can be for-profit or nonprofit. Also, you need to be at least 18 years old. In order to apply, you need to submit your application at sbir.gov/accelerators. You will need to also have a presentation that is no more than 13 slides that must address all items in order to be listed, or in order that is listed, and that's going to be under the judging section for full details. It needs to be submitted in a PDF form, and this will not be made public to the SBA, or that it will not be made public by the SBA. So you're gonna have to do a little bit of work, because this is big money. It's not a small $10,000 grant, and you also will have to do a public video that is not any longer than 90 seconds long that describes why you're qualified to win this particular grant. So stage 2, you're gonna have to do something similar as well. You're gonna have to submit a presentation, and then the application will be on America's seedfund.us. So when it comes to the judging, they'll be looking at the quality and clarity of your submission, as well as the plan that you are planning to do with the money that you get, and how you're going to use it, how you're going to implement the changes within your business, and pretty much what your vision is for your company. So that's to summarize everything. You can find this information at challenge.gov. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, like this video if you found this video valuable. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.